What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is August the 10th, the 10th of August. I'm here to do an unboxing real quick because I want y'all to see what I got. So let's check it out. What's in the box? What's in the box from Amazon? Let's open it up and see what it is. Make sure you get one of these handy dandies. I think I got this from Amazon as well. You could go right on your fan, but it won't cut you, but it cut all the boxes and stuff. That's the reason I got it. Kind of like child-proof at the same time. And it cuts pretty clean too. Let's see, what's my new investment for TheJ Jordan? Okay. This is Squad Rock, a podcast equipment bundle for two. A podcast equipment bundle for two. Let's look at it. See, this is what I got. Let's open it up and see what's in the inside. Let's see what's in the inside. But we gotta get these stickers off. Actually, just gotta cut it because, you know, we really got it set up. Come with the manual. We always need that. Look at this. You know how people be talking into their mic? This is a filter so it could take out all the extra noise and air when you be talking. It's awesome. I guess I can look and see what these parts are called. Trying to see if it shows in there about the parts. So I can tell you what the parts are. I don't really see the part stuff. It probably is in another spot on here. This one just talking about this part. They're just talking about this right here. Pretty much what they're talking about, this right here. And it got all the little extra sounds. And it's you can hook up a condenser, two condenser mics, a headset, monitor, a company. You could do live 1, live 2, and it have a FV and a VA PC live. So I guess I could go live with my with the gaming on my PC with this as well. It's pretty cool. But you know, we ain't done taking the stuff out. Let's see what else we got in here. We got a mic. We got one mic right here. Got the cord for the mic and the cord for the parts. Oh yeah. What is this? What is this? This might be a stand. This might be a stand for the mic. And it also have the case where you can put the mic in. So you can hold the mic like that. That looks so wrong. That's why I stopped trying to do that. That looks so wrong. As much as I be messing with other people, but that looks so wrong. So I guess it goes in here. It's supposed to open up. I know it do because it's got the little stretching thing with it. I might put this together before I do my next music thing. Got some more chords. I gotta figure out what this. I ain't look at, you see, I ain't look at no instructions. I'm over here just like trying to be like inspect the gadget and see if I can figure it out. Cause it's this screw on. All right. What's in this other? This is another case for the cover of the mic, because you put it on top of it. Take some of all that noise and wind out of the thing. Cover up the mic. I don't want no spit on my mic. No spit on the mic. Hopefully this mic is better than my other ones. Because my other one was messing up. And as you see, it comes with two of them. Here's the second part of it. This is the second one. And it comes with the, oh, these is like headphones. So you put in your ear, so if I'm talking to you, we can still listen to each other while we're going. This thing came with a lot of, I got this off of Amazon. I will show you where I got it from, so you can see if you want to try to check it out as well. But I'm just taking it out. This for the people who are doing the podcast. I ain't doing podcasts, but I want to do music. I want to do the music. So it's just the same thing twice, since there's two of them. So all I gotta do is, like, if I want to open another one, I just do the other one. But it's just two of these. I'm not gonna open both of them because I don't need both of them right now. But yeah, as I look like it, it shows the stand. It shows the stand. It's a condenser microphone interface. Okay, that's for that part. So what it's come with? But as you see, it's good for Apple, Mac, Android, laptops and stuff. For your laptop, it got laptop, gaming, computer, laptop, gaming, this tablet, and phone. That's what that is for. I wish it'd tell me all the names of the parts. Instructions, sound console, sockets. It tell you it's got the power, mic volume. It got all the instruction about that little small device. About this right here. It said, okay, good. It got the mic, so I could put that in the little headphones. I could put this into this part right here, to the into the monitor part, and then that way I can hear it in my ear, and it won't be giving me the extra sounds, I guess. That's cool. We're gonna have to test it out, y'all. We're gonna have to test it out. Hopefully I'll be able to test it out soon. It said monitor, the mic goes to the condenser mic too. Okay, the 5V goes into the CPU on a computer. So you want to do it that way. You got audio cable, USB cable. It's good. This said, it's saying you can use this for OBS studios, headphones, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, Periscope, PlayStation 5, Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac OS. There's so many things you can use this for. This is awesome. Especially since I could do my gaming channel. This for the computer. Windows. It's telling you how to set it up. All you gotta do is just scan it. You got an audio. It have an audio mini setup on here. I wanted to call out the parts, but I didn't see the name of each part on here. But as you can see, it got the little the stand, the mic. I guess it's supposed to be like, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. So the other part was right. So let's go in. There we go. Then we put this under it. There we go. Look at it. We are coming together. We are coming together. I don't know this part down here though, but we will figure it out because we got two of them. But that's all I'm going to show for right now. This is pretty long. I should have just did it faster, but I was curious with it, and my curiosity got the best of me today. But until next time, just remember, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, what would I unbox next? You never know. If y'all want to send me something, like, just go to my email address. You know what I mean? I got my information on where you can send the stuff. So until next time, go to my P.O. Box, 125 Douglasville, Georgia. All right, until next time, I'll holla. Peace and hair grease. Hoo-wee.